Isn't this pouch pretty? I organize it by gradient. Pink all the way to blue, each pencil in its own little slot. But here's the thing, as pretty as it looked, using it was actually so stressful. Every time I pulled a pencil out to draw and try to put it back, oh, I had to hunt it for its exact spot again. And finding the color I wanted meant flipping through row after row. It was perfectly organized, but so inconvenient to actually use. Kind of ironic, right? So I just let go of the perfectly organized idea and tried this pouch instead. The one that unfolded completely flat. Look at this. Every single color is visible at once. No digging around or flipping through rows. Turned out being able to see everything at a glance mattered way more to me than having everything in a perfectly neat little slot. What about your pencils? What kind of hacks do you have? If you have any other better ideas, let me know in the comment. Thanks for watching. Let's draw and grow our dream. Be with me, NIXI. See you soon.